Hello, in front of me I've got Nokia G21. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter security, and enter screen lock. As you can see right here, we've got 5 types of passwords: none, swipe, pattern, pin and password. And let's start with top of the list. So let's firstly select none. Now swipe, password, pin, and in the end, let's select pattern. When it's done, we can go to fingerprint, add fingerprint, and now simply scan your fingerprint on the sensor right here. Tap the sensor multiple times, and each time adjust fingerprint position. And the last method to unlock the phone is face unlock. Set up face unlock, and simply scan your face on this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.